Sure, I can tell you a funny story without using any inappropriate language or topics. Here it goes. Once upon a time, in a land far away, there was a mischievous monkey who loved to play pranks on his friends in the jungle. One day, while swinging from tree to tree, he noticed a turtle slowly making its way through the forest. The monkey had an idea. He decided to hide behind a bush and pretend to be a talking tree. As the turtle approached, the monkey said in a deep and mysterious voice, "What are you doing, step bro?" The turtle, startled and confused, looked around and replied, I'm just trying to find some yummy leaves to eat." The monkey couldn't contain his laughter and burst out from behind the bush, revealing his true identity. The turtle, though initially shocked, couldn't help but chuckle at the monkey's playful prank. From that day on, the monkey and the turtle became good friends and shared many more light-hearted moments together in the jungle.